Is your 2021 Ram 1500 backup camera showing a black screen or glitching out? Let's troubleshoot the cause in 2 minutes. Statistically, most camera issues on these trucks are simple software glitches rather than actual hardware failures. Before you call the dealer, follow this diagnostic path to isolate the problem. Start by cleaning the lens, checking for loose wiring under the bumper, and performing a hard reboot of your Uconnect system. If the screen stays black, the issue is likely a frayed tailgate wire or corrosion in the bumper connector. Sometimes the body control module loses communication with the camera, which may require a dealer-level scan tool to resolve. You can easily handle basic troubleshooting, but wiring repairs or module programming typically require professional equipment. Costs vary significantly, with simple software updates being the cheapest, while full hardware replacements climb into the hundreds. For advanced testing, check your fuses and use a multimeter at the harness to verify you are getting power to the camera. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and contact cleaner handy, as these are your best defense against intermittent camera failures. Safety note: always disconnect the negative battery terminal before messing with any electrical connectors to prevent shorts. If these steps didn't fix your camera, it is time to visit a shop for a professional diagnostic scan.